Hi there. A quick price update about Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company Limited with the ticker symbol TSM. A 52-week price range about $107 to $140 per share. Last year around February 2021 it hits its all-time high price around $142 per share, and after that the price has been unsteady around $120 per share for the remaining of year 2021. Now, at the beginning of the year 2022 the price are sitting up now around $133 per share. It has good start so far, and knowing that semiconductors are well on demand at the market, this has really have a good potential going up. Take note, TSMC is the world's biggest contract chip maker and manufactures semiconductors for Apple Inc., Qualcomm Inc., and some more tech companies out there in the market. TSMC's fourth quarter 2021 earnings conference will be held on Thursday, January 13, 2022, and it is going to be exciting to find out how they did in their business. Do not forget the current dividend yield sitting at 1.55%, paying at almost 50 cents per share quarterly. Well, this is it for the price update with TSM. One last thing. Are you invested in this company? Share your thoughts in the comment section.